Hello everyone, welcome to my shop. This is going to be a really quick video on installing some upgraded hatch popper springs for my 350Z. These units are from Z1, a couple other people sell them, but it's just a higher spring load to help deal with the heavy wing that I have on the Z, or if you just have, I mean, these cars are pretty old now, so sometimes just over time the springs don't lift the hatch anymore. No tools required. Give me 1 second and we'll go ahead and get started. What these hatch springs do is assist in releasing the latch. If you've got a heavy wing on the car, or a lip or a duckbill or something like that, or your springs are just worn out and you hit the unlock button, nothing happened, right? The hatch doesn't open. You have to be lifting up and pressing on it to get it to release. These upgraded springs should keep this from happening. Just as another point of note, I have the upgraded Z1 hatch struts on this car, which does help hold it up with the wing. So I'm going to get the camera closer and we'll go ahead and show you how to change these out. Removal of the hatch spring is extremely easy. It doesn't require any tools. All you need to do is grab up near the hatch itself, rotate 90 degrees, and pull out. It's just got a simple little two little teeth on it. The teeth are actually at opposite sides of these little tabs to kind of help give you an idea. As I said, turn it 90 degrees, pull out, and it's removed. Before you install the new Z1 hatch struts, do note the kit comes with two different rubber grommets, one that has a hole in it, the other one that does not. For a 350Z, you use the one without a hole. I think the one with the hole is for the 370Z. For this, all you got to do, just work the rubber grommet on over top of the two little ears. And once again, we're going to install the same way. Put it in, turn it 90 degrees. You can turn it either way. Make sure it's secured, and that's all it does. That's all that's required to install. Once you've done both sides, that's it for the install. This is, as I said, extremely easy. On a car with a big heavy wing like mine, even these upgraded hatch poppers still require a little bit of force, but it's much easier for me to get this hatch pop now, and if I'm carrying my helmet and gear and stuff, it'll just make my life a lot easier. If you have a lighter wing or just, you know, an upgraded spoiler or a duckbill, those hatch poppers will probably be more than enough to get the hatch to pop on its own. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Otherwise, please like and subscribe, and check back for more install videos over the winter. Thanks.